Yes, Radha. So, can you see the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait a minute, okay? Okay. So, let's see here. Today we will start mixture and alligation, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Mixture and alligation. Hmm. It said that in mixture, when two or more than two substances are mixed in the ratio, then the resultant substance is called mixture. Okay. And allegation rule said that if a substance of dearer price, uh, rupees D per unit, is mixed with another substance of cheaper price, rupees C per unit, to form a mixture, which means price of rupees m per unit, okay, then at that time we will use the formula quantity of cheaper substance divided by quantity of dearer substance, and it will be equal to dearer price minus mean price divided by mean price minus cheaper price, okay. So these things are here, and there are some basic points and some formulas I have, okay, which I want to discuss with you. So if you want to note down, you can note down those points. And while you will make the note, please note down the definition at least. Okay, mixture and alligation, for mixture and alligation. Okay, is it clear, Sradha?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, you can hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay. Uh, Suppose we have a two quantities A1 and A2. Okay, and here we are mixing in AW. So here it will be, uh, first of all, A1 is less than AW, and that is less than A2. Okay, so at this time, the ratio which you will get after mixing, you have to find it by here A2 minus AW. It will be, okay. A2 minus
So,
AW.
so
What?
how is AW lesser than A2?
This thing you can easily understand while we will do the questions, okay. Just here you have to understand the formula or the trick what you have to do in the question, okay. So while we will do the questions in that one, we will discuss it in detail. So let's see here ki, the second ratio you will find it by A1 minus AW, okay. So this will be the, suppose after solving it we will get N1, and after solving this one A1 minus AW we will get N2. So our ratio will be N1 is to N2. Okay. Please note down this one. Yes, Radha. Now write some points. Okay. Write a point. from a container from a container having x units liquid, having x units liquid, having x unit liquid. Suppose y units are taken. Suppose y units are taken out, are taken out, are taken out and replaced by by water, and replaced by water. After n operations, after n operations, quantity of pure liquid, quantity of pure liquid or remaining amount of pure liquid, or remaining amount of pure liquid. I'm repeating again. From a container having x units liquid, suppose y units are taken out, okay, and replaced by water. So after n operations, if we repeated this process n times, okay, so after n operations, quantity of pure liquid or remaining amount of pure liquid in that mixture will be, see here the formula, remaining amount of pure liquid, okay, pure liquid, it will be equal to initial quantity, initial quantity multiply by 1 minus, okay, 1 minus quantity taken out, quantity taken out divided by initial quantity, initial quantity multiply, sorry, to the power n, okay. With this value, when we will do 1 minus quantity taken out divided by initial quantity, okay, we have to solve it. The resultant, on the resultant we have to do power n, and then we have to multiply it by the initial quantity. So the value which we get after doing it, that value will be the remaining amount of the pure liquid in the mixture, okay. So this is the formula, please note down it. Yeah. Now write the next point. A vessel, a vessel full of liquid A, full of liquid A, comma, contain A liters of it. Okay. See here like this. A vessel of liquid A, liquid A, okay, contains a liter, a liters of it, of which of which several liter of which several liters are are withdraw full stop. The vessel is then filled with liquid B. The vessel is then filled with liquid B, capital B. Okay. The vessel is then filled with liquid B, full stop. Next, the same volume of the mixture. Next, the same volume of the mixture withdraw. Next, the same volume of the mixture withdraw, and again the vessel is filled with the liquid B. And again the vessel is filled with a liquid B. This process is repeated n times.
Sir, withdrawn.
Withdrawn, and again the vessel is filled with liquid B. Filled with liquid B. This process is repeated n times. This process is repeated n times. This process is repeated n times, full stop. As result, as result, the vessel contain B liters, B, small b, okay. The vessel contain B liters of liquid A, capital A, small b
Small
and
b.
capital A. Yes, small b. As result, the vessel contain B liters, so small b, okay. Whatever it is, 20 liter, 5 liter, whatever it is, here we are supposing it small b, of liquid A, the capital A, okay, which was in the initial liquid liter of liquid A, capital A. Then then see here, the formula will be final quantity of liquid A divided by fine initial quantity of liquid A, initial quantity of liquid A equal to nth root of B by A, small b by A, okay. Nth root of small b by A. So this will be the formula. By this formula we will find it, okay. So if any question will be based on this pattern, okay, that the container initially it was filled with by liquid A, contain A liters, okay. Liquid A means कि suppose it is filled with milk, the liquid is milk, so here capital A denotes to milk, contain A liter, A the small a, means suppose it is containing 5 liters, so here A, the small a, represent to the quantity, okay. So suppose it is 5 liter of it, of which several liters are withdrawn, okay. We don't know that amount. The vessel is then filled with liquid B, whatever it is, water or anything, okay. Next, the same vessel volume of the mixture withdraw, and again the vessel is filled with the liquid B, the capital B, whatever it will be, water or whatever, okay. So this process is repeated n times. Suppose it is repeated 4 times, 5 times, whatever it is. As a result, the vessel contain B liter. So after doing it, suppose the vessel contain 5 liter or 4 liter, 3 liter, whatever. Okay, after doing this operation or the process, vessel contain b liter. Here the small b again represent to the quantity. Okay, after doing the operation. So of the liquid A, means suppose A was the milk, so it will be A. Okay, then the formula will be कि final quantity of liquid A divided by initial quantity of liquid A, and it will be equal to n times nth root of B by A. Okay, is it clear or any doubt? Is it clear or any doubt? Shraddha, please confirm me. Shraddha, you are on mute. Please confirm me. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I lost my connection.
Okay, okay, no problem. So noted.
Yes, sir. Noted.
Okay. Now write a question. Okay, now we will practice some questions. This question is based on the ratio and mixture. Okay. Write the question. 20 liters of a mixture, 20 liters of a mixture containing milk and water, containing milk and water, containing milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 1. It's mean milk is to water is in 3 is to 1. Okay, full stop. Then the amount of milk to be added, then the amount of the milk to be added to the mixture, to the mixture, then the amount of milk to be added to the mixture so as to have so as to have milk and water, have milk and water in the ratio 4 is to 1, in the ratio 4 is to 1. Okay, 4 is to 1, question mark. 4 is to 1 is question mark. Okay, please try to find it. Here you have to find the amount of milk to be added. Okay.
So should it still be 20 liters?
No, initially it was the
What should
mixture
it
of
be?
20 liter. What's Radha?
No, sir. I was asking if the total should be 20 liters still.
Yeah, initially it was the total, है ना? Initially, whatever you shake, initially or final, the total quantity is 20. Okay, so 20 liter of a mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 1. Then the amount of milk to be added to the mixture so as to have milk and water in the ratio 4 is to 1. It's mean here we have added the milk in the mixture. Okay, so initially it was 20, final it's not given, and no, we have no need to know about it. Okay, it is just saying initially it was 20 liter. Here we have to find the amount of the water to be added. Please try it. Yeah, what's Radha?
Is the answer 5
Yes, very good, dear. So how you have solved it?
Sir, I took since the initial ratio is 3 is to 1, I took
Mm-hmm.
3x plus x is 20, so I got x is 5.
Very
So
good.
milk will be 3 into 5, 15 liter. So
Mm-hmm.
then, um, so then 20 is to 5 is 4 is to 1. So to add 5.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And you have multiplied by, you got it 5, na?
Yeah.
Okay. It's mean you have solved it by the academic method because here you have consider x, right? But
Yeah.
in the shortcut method, we didn't consider x. We will do it directly. Let's see here how we will do it. First, we will write like this. Okay. According to question, it is milk is to water is 3 is to 1 and 4 is to 1, right? So here, as you can see, the water is same. The water is same. Initially it was 1 and after the mixing or the operation it is again 1. Okay. So according to the question, here we are correct. There is no change in water. Okay. As you can see, there is a change in water. It's milk. Sorry, it increased by 1, right? Okay. And in the question, after reading question, you got it कि here we have added a water milk, है ना? So easily you can see here कि it is increased by 1. It's
Yes,
mean we are
sir.
correct. Now let's see here 3 plus 1. Now add it. 3 plus 1. It is 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay. The initial amount has been given for the mixer, that is 20 liter. It's mean the value of 4 is 20 liter. It is given, which is 5 times. Here we have to find the amount of milk which has been added. Okay. So as you can see here, the 1 unit has been added, right? So here we have to multiply it by 5 and we will get 5 into 1, 5 liter, that's all. So within 4 to 5 seconds you will get the answer. Okay? Is it clear? Similarly, if in question, if it will ask for the final quantity, then you have to multiply 5 by this 5. Okay? You have to multiply this 5 by 5 times. Okay. If it will ask for the water, you have to just multiply it by 1. Okay, because in the initial and final both are same for water, है ना? Okay, Shraddha, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Write a next question based on the same pattern. Okay, but there is a little difference. There is a small difference. A mixture contains milk and water. A mixture contains milk and water. Milk is to water in the ratio 5 is to 1. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 5 is to 1. That's when milk is to water is 5 is to 1. Okay, full stop. On adding 5 liter of water, on adding 5 liter of water, here we are adding 5 liter of water on the mixture. Okay, water, the ratio of milk and water becomes 5 is to 2. 5 is to 2. The ratio of milk and water becomes 5 is to 2. Full stop. The quantity of milk in the mixture is, the quantity of milk in the mixture is, please try to find this question or solve this question by yourself with the same method as we done for the first one, है ना? By the trick. Okay, you can do it by the academic method by considering it x. You will get the answer, but it will take some more time. Okay, so please try it by the short trick only. No problem. Let's see here how we will do it. Okay, as here milk is to water, it was 5 is to 1, right? after adding 5 liter water, the ratio become 5 is to 2. Okay, here as you can see, the milk is same, right? And there is no point of discussion in the question regarding the milk. Okay, whatever it is, adding or withdraw of milk, so it's mean the milk is as it is. And in the ratio you can also see, initially it was 5 and after the operation it is again 5. Okay, but here water is increased by 1, right? It is increased by 1. And as we know that here 5 liter water has been added. Okay, it's mean the value of this 1 unit is 5 liter. Okay, we have to find the quantity of milk in the mixture. As here the milk is same. Okay, initial and after the operation again, which is here 5. It's mean we have to find the value of this one. So as you can see here, this 1 unit of increasing water is equal to 5 liter, which is 5 times. It's mean here we have to multiply this value by 5. So we will get 5 into 5, which is 25 liter. It's mean in the mixture it was 25 liter milk. Okay, is it clear? If it will ask about the total quantity of mixture before mixing water. Okay, so as you can see here, 5 plus 1 6, you have to just multiply this 6 by 5. Okay, if it will ask about the total quantity of mixture after mixing 5 liter of water, so here you have to do 5 plus 2 7. So just you have to multiply this 7 by 5 and you will get the answer. Okay, you can also see here, see 6 into 5, 6 into 5 30. It's mean it was initially total 30 liter of mixture, and after mixing 7 into 5 it is 35. You can easily see here there is a gap of 5 liter, which represent the water which we have added. Okay, is it clear? And here again you can see, initially it was water was 1, so 1 into 5 it is 5 liter, and after mixing water become 2, so multiplied by 5 it will become 2. Here again you can see it become 5 and 10, so here it is the increasement of 5 liter, which has been given in the question. Okay, so by this method you can easily do. I am doing it again in a fair way, you have to
Yes, sir.
do
I
just like this.
can. Sir.
Yes. Any doubts, Radha? It was 5 is to 1. After mixing, it is 5 is to 2. Here you can see the increasement of 1. And this 1 is equal to 5 liter. It's mean it is 5 times. Here we have to find for milk. So we have to just do 5 into 5, which will be 25 liter milk. Okay. Initially it was 6. After mixing, it becomes 7. Please note down this one. Okay. This one. So is there any doubt? You can easily do this type of questions now.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, write the next question. 80 liter of a mixture, 8080. Okay. 80 liter of a mixture contains 80 liter of a mixture contains milk and water in the ratio, milk and water in the ratio 27 is to 5. 27 is to 5. 27 is to 5. How much more water? How much more water how much more water is to be added to get a mixture containing milk, and water, in the ratio 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. Please try this question. Yes, good Shraddha, 10 liter now.
Sir, you're muted.
Sorry Shraddha, you got it 10 now.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. So can you please explain me how you have solved it?
Sir, so first, so again I took X.
Oh, you have solved it by academic method.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem dear. Please tell me. Yeah, yeah, please continue.
Yeah, so then I got X value as
Okay,
67.5.
okay.
So
Then,
then I got then then I made a equation like 60
hmm.
like 80 minus 67.5 is
Oh, okay, okay.
12.5 and 67.5 by 12.5 plus X
Hmm. Oh,
equal to 3 by 1.
and after that, after solving it, you got it 10 liter now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, no problem there. Let's see here how we will do it by the short tricks. Okay. So as you can see here, 80 liter it was initially, right? And it contained the mixture of milk and water in the ratio 27 is to 5. Okay. So here it said ki how much more water is to be added to get a mixture. Here it is talking about the water, adding water. It's mean here the milk should be as it is, right? But as you can see, you can see here there is a change in the milk also. So first we have to make it equal. Okay, we have to make it equal. So for to make it equal, let's see here how we will do it. When you will add it 27 plus 5, it will be 32, right? And 3 plus 4, it will 3 plus 1, it will be 4. We have to make the milk as it was initially. Okay, initially it was 27, right? So we have to make this 3 as 27. So it's mean we have to multiply this whole value by 9.
9.
Okay, to make it 27. So the new ratio will be 27 is to 5, and after multiplying by it, it will be 27 is to 9, and here it will be 32, and 4 9 are 36. Okay, is it clear? Now let's see here. It said ki containing mixture and water in the ratio 3 is to 1. Okay, now let's see here, as it is saying initially it was 80 liter. It's mean whose value has been given 80 liter.
Mixture.
No, no, here in the ratio, as you can see, different numbers, right? So whose value it is given? Which value is equal to 80? Is it 5, 27,
32.
32, or 36? Yes, very good. 32, है ना? So in the ratio, this is the initial quantity, right? And this is equal to 80 liter, the actual value. Now you have to find the amount of water which we have added. Okay, see here the difference of water. What is the difference in water? How many units has been added? Initially it was 5, now
4.
it's 9. It's mean 4 unit has been added. So here you have to find the value of 4. Okay, so here 32 is equal to 80. We have to find the value of 4. Just we have to do cross multiplication. So simply we will get 80 by 32 and here into 4. Okay, 4 8 ja 32 and 8 10 times. Okay, so it will be 10 liters. Too simple. Okay, within 10 to 12 seconds you can get the answer. Okay, but when you will do it by the academic method by taking x, it will take 2 to 3 minutes, right? At least 2 minutes sure. But you have to solve the question within 10 to 15 minutes na, each and every question. So that's why please try to solve each and every question by shortcut method or the trick. Okay, is it clear, Shraddha? Do you want the
Yes, sir.
explanation again?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So try all the questions by yourself again after the class, okay, as a self study. Just see the question, read the questions, understand it, and solve it in rough, okay, by the shortcut method. And after that, match your result steps with the uh, points which I gave you during the class, okay. Is it clear now? Yes, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay, now write the next question. Do you want the same question again so that it will be like a practice for you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, write it. Zinc and copper are in the ratio 5 is to 3. Zinc and copper are in the ratio 5 is to 3 in 200 gram. In 200 gram of an alloy. Of an alloy. Okay. Of an alloy. Comma, how much gram of copper, how much grams of copper be added to make the ratio 3 is to 5, to make the ratio 3 is to 5, to make the ratio 3 is to 5. I am repeating the question again. Zinc and copper are in the ratio 5 is to 3 in 200 gram of an alloy. How much grams of copper be added to make the ratio 3 is to 5? Please try it. You have to solve by the same method as we done the previous question. This one, the last one, है ना? For which we got the answer 10 liter. 250. No dear, it will be in a mixed fraction.
Sir.
Hello?
Yeah.
No dear, it will be in a mixed fraction, okay? Or the answer will be in fraction so that when you will solve it, you will get the answer in a mixed fraction. Okay, no problem. Let's see here how we will do it, okay? Hello, Shraddha.
Yeah.
Hmm. Actually, I can't see you, so that's why I'm confused when you are not responding. Okay,
Sir,
let's see
it's
here.
a net issue. That's why.
Oh, okay, no problem. Okay, it's okay. Let's see here. It is saying zinc and copper are in the ratio 5 is to 3. Okay, so here we will write Zn is to Cu. Okay, if you know the wait a minute. Okay, zinc and copper are in the ratio as notation. If you know the notation, you can write it. Otherwise, you can directly just write Z or Cu. Okay, for your help. So it will be 5 is to 3, right? In that 200 gram of an alloy, it's mean initially it is 200 gram. The alloy is quantity of the alloy is 200 gram. Okay, how much gram of copper to be added to make the ratio 3 is to 5? Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, here we have to add the copper, right? It's mean its value will be changed or its unit will be changed, right? So which one you can see here, right? But zinc should be constant. Okay, zinc should be constant, but as you can see here, it is not. Initially it was 5, now it is 3. So first we have to make it equal or the constant. 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8. Okay, so we have to make this 5 and 3 equal. So at this time we have to take the LCM, right? So LCM, it's mean we have, it will be 15. So we have to multiply this one by 3 and this equation by 5. Do you know that one in mathematics we learned elimination method? In elimination method we did like in the same way, है ना?
Yeah,
To
yeah,
remove, to
elimination.
eliminate one variable to get the value of the another variable, है ना? So in same thing or the same in the same way we will do here. Okay. So the new ratio will be 3 5 into 3 15 is to 339 equal to 8 3 is 27. 3 into 5 15 is to 5 5 is 25 equal to 8 5 is 40. Now as you can see here, the zinc is constant, which is 15, but here you can see that there is a change in the unit of the copper, right? Which has been increased. So this increased value, which will be, the increased value will be 16, right? It's represent the quantity which we will add. Okay, so as here, uh wait, 8 3 are 24, sorry. So initially what was the quantity of the alloy? Tell me.
200,
200. Whose value is 200?
200 gram,
Whose value will be 200?
24.
24. Very good. So 24 is equal to 200. Yes, we have to find the value of 16. Simply we will do here cross multiplication. So we will get it as 200 divided by 24 into 16, right? 4 6 are 24, 4 4 are 16. Okay, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. So this value will be 200 into 2 by 3. It's mean it will be 400 by 3. If this fraction you will be given in the option, then you will go with it. Otherwise you have to divide it. Okay, so when you will divide it, if the mixed fraction has been given in the option, then you have to change it in mixed fraction. So in 1 times na, here it will be 3 1 and 0, 3 3 3 is a 9, then 1 again 0 and 3 3 is a 9. So here 1, so mixed fraction will be 133 whole 1 by 3, and this will be the answer. Okay, 133 whole 1 by 3. Is it clear? So this much gram of copper we have to add it. Do you want the explanation again?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Just write it. Till here we have already discussed two, three different types of question based on different pattern. After this we will discuss it in the next class. Okay. We will try some more questions. Okay.
Sir, what is allegation?
What?
What is allegation?
Uh, What you want to understand, the meaning of the allegation or the formula based on it?
The meaning.
Meaning, mainly the meaning of the allegation is कि the amount of yeah, substance which you mixed, okay, and that amount which you got in the as a result after mixing it, okay,
Yeah.
so that will be known as the allegation.
Like the total quantity of the mixture.
In the ratio, just like that, okay.
Yeah.
And if you want to check the definition, then just wait a minute. We can say that ki allegation is a claim of fact, okay, like that one.
Sir, that is a different allegation.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, sorry. Yes, yes, you are right. Then, okay, just wait a minute, okay. Mm.
Sir, it's like to find the price when mixing two or more items of different values.
Or we can say that the final combination of product, right?
Yeah.
By the mathematical rule, है ना? So the formula which we learned, those will come under in the allegation. Okay. So in mixtures we mix two different quantities or the substance. Okay. But in mixtures generally we use the rules or the tricks like that one to find the ratio of the price. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the mainly difference between the mixture and allegation.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?